But they ain't never coming out again.
I don't care.
Like, it was like a once.
It's ridiculous.
It was like a once.
Dude,
one.
you have shoes downstairs. You have shoes in the top and bottom of the closet. You can't even put it clothes in the closet because of your shoes. Why are you still ordering shoes?
I didn't order them. He called me and told me that they were.
So who is he? If Robert got anything to do with this, well, I'm calling his wife.
I don't know no names.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know no names.
Okay. Okay.
You say what?
How much was the shoes?
You say what?
How much